Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Special greetings to you from wherever you're watching this video from, and I'm just sharing this opportunity this day for those who are really interested. Now, this is an opportunity for an hairstylist or colorist with UK visa sponsorship. Now, I understand that a lot of people prefer care worker visa and all kinds of skilled worker visa, but you can see on my screen that this is an hairstylist or a colorist with UK visa sponsorship. So you can't restrict yourself to getting a care assistant visa alone. This is a job to give you sponsorship. What you need now is sponsorship to be able to work in the UK. That's if you are interested in the UK. So if you are a hairstylist, you have experience as a hairstylist, you can do all of these things in a, do I use the word, a professional manner now. I would encourage you to apply for this job. Now, I will not forget to also mention that you need to include, or you need to package your CV very well. You need to give some extra touch to your CV. You can't send the same CV you send into other jobs. For this job, you need to fine-tune your CV to suit the position of an hairstylist. So please sit down with your CV and make amendments, put in your experience, places you've worked before, what you do, your descriptions or your job duties now. Put all of those things in there. Then at least put like two or three experiences that you've worked as a hairstylist. Then put your job duties. You can check the link attached to this video. You'll see how to create a job rolling CV. You can follow the same format for all kinds of job. For any kind of job responsibility or for any kind of job role. So you can just make sure that you fine-tune everything to suit your employer, because one of the things employers look out for is your experience. Once your experience is intact, you definitely be considered. So guys, I'm going to encourage you, apply for this job now. And as you can see, this is a very good pay. The pay is minimum of £12 per hour. You can get more, but the minimum is £12 per hour, and it's actually a very good one. I won't lie to you, nurses here in the UK get paid between this hour of £12 to £24. Yes, that's what some nurses even get in the UK. So if you are a stylist, you want to relocate, I think this is a good one for you. Now you can see the benefits: company pension, employee discount, on-site parking, then UK visa sponsorship. So guys, and you can see what is needed for this job role. Full job description: provide exceptional hairstyling service to clients, including cutting, coloring, and styling. Stay up to date with the latest hair trends and techniques. Mentor and train junior stylists to enhance their skills and knowledge. Perform barbering services such as beard trim and shaves. Upsell salon products and services to maximize revenue. Manage the overall operation of the salon, including inventory management and schedule. Perform eyelash extension and makeup application as needed. Assist with front desk duties such as greeting clients and scheduling appointments. Communicate effectively with clients to understand their needs and preferences. These are the things that I feel that should be like a customer service, a good customer service skill. Ability to speak with your potential clients, communicate with them, ask for their needs, satisfying them with your work and all of that. So guys, Now, requirements: proven experience as a senior hairstylist or similar role, proficient in a wide range of hairstyling techniques and services, strong knowledge of barbering technique for men's grooming, ability to mentor and train junior stylists. Now, if you look at this job experience now, it's obvious that it's definitely for men. However, if women can do this kind of job very well, they are always at the top of their game, because men seeing women barbing their hair is usually exceptional. So it's not restricted to anybody, but if you can work, or if you can do this, all of this job duties here, then I think this is good for you. And now I encourage you to apply for this job as soon as possible. The good news: no IELTS is required, and you can see flexible language requirements, English not required. So you need to understand English. I will use that word because you're going to communicate with people in English. No matter how terrible your English is, you don't have to be a guru with English, but of course be able to communicate in English language. Yeah. So experience hairstyle or hair coloring, 5 years required. Of course, license level 2 or higher level diploma, we can see. So for you to have level 2 or higher level diploma, then of course you just understand basic English language, and all of that. So expected date to start is 12th of this is that January, March, April, May. That's May. So May is the expected date to start. You still have like 2 months. Yeah, this is March, so we have 2 months to apply for this job. Let's say about 2 months, a month plus, well, let's say almost 2 months to apply for this job. So let's check the description page. I'm going to drop the application link of this video to you. So please, if you have barbers around you who are good with this job, you can share with them. Let them benefit from this opportunity. So, and that's it. I wish anyone applying for this job best of luck. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, please, I will encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always get information like this when it comes in first hand. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. See you later in my next video. Bye.